Today, we're going to talk about doing the dirty, not that dirty, the dirty water fast. Oh, yes. For those of us that are trying to cut fat off the frames, but we're not so focused on the healing, then we can occasionally do what's called a dirty water fast. Now, a dirty water fast means you still take in no calories, but you can take in diet drinks. Diet Barks is one of my favorites, man. Diet A&W. Diet Slice Orange, man. But my all-time favorite, man, is like Diet Dr. Pepper, man. Yeah. This also means that for those of you that like black coffee, you can have your 0-calorie black coffee. I'll link to some bulletproof coffee in the description if you like that kind of stuff. Right? It's pretty good. It's got electrolytes. You can have your 0-calorie green teas. It's good stuff. Also, caffeine. It's going to bump up that heart rate, burn more calories. You burn more fat. Yeah. Burning it up. Burning it up. A hula, 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 gonna burn the fat up. Yeah. Sorry, this is a dirty video. That's good. Now, there are some things that you may need to be aware of when you're talking about doing a dirty fast. The first is sometimes the artificial sweeteners used in these guys, and it's normally somewhere around here in the contains ingredients, nutritional value section of the canister, bottle, or jug. It's going to tell you what the artificial sweetener is. Now, sometimes that artificial sweetener is going to be stevia. Sometimes it's aspartame. Sometimes it's, well, there's lots of different artificial sweeteners in the world today. Some of them cause certain people to slip out of ketosis. Oh no, Roger, what if I had a diet drink and it broke my fast? It didn't break your fast. I'm sorry. It does not break your fast. If you slip out of ketosis, you slip right back in. Your body goes, oh shit, sugar. Wait, never mind. Oh shit, fat. Boom. That's what happens. For people that are actually concerned about it, the people that are concerned the most are people that are on keto diets. They need to stay in ketosis all the time. So getting out of ketosis for them is an issue. For us, we're not taking in any calories, and therefore slipping out slides us right back in. It's just like slippery sex. You pop it out, pop it back in. No problem, no foul, no harm. We're good. So, told you, dirty video. I look forward to seeing you check out the next class. And by all means, I'm running out of ideas here, so comment down below if there's something you would like a video made on that has to do with water fasting. This digital mentor program is my way of hopefully helping out more people that want to get into water fasting but have no one there for them to keep them held accountable. The next video, how to stay held accountable. Look at that, just popped right in my head. See you soon.